Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 16th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 12's testing for the strategies, which is predictions based on option chain analysis for Tesla. Obviously, here we can see that the last prediction was made on the 10th of March 2024 for the week ending the 15th. Today is the 16th, this Saturday. The weekly open for the week for Tesla was 175.45. The prediction was that Tesla goes down. And just a side note, if you are curious as to where these predictions are coming from, absolutely go view my channel, since there's extremely detailed videos going over the predictions and the analysis behind them. And you can go and check the videos, which are either timestamped on the date here in the Excel sheet, or 1 day later, or it's a 1 day difference because it's on a Saturday or Sunday depending on when the video is recorded, but the actual prediction date matches accurately. The close for Tesla was 163.57, which translates to a 6.77% profit, and cumulative P&L goes up to 6.95%, whereas Tesla's weekly change was minus 6.71%, bringing Tesla's cumulative P&L down to 40.32%. And finally, we have the alpha, which has now gone up to 47.27%. So these are obviously very encouraging results. We can see the predictions have been going well for Tesla. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.